Imihigo is a planning tool. This was initiated by our president in 2006. Mainly combines conventional planning methods with our culture and our tradition, where you combine this traditional way of planning with our culture that is promoting performance-based, that is promoting competition, that is promoting results-based management style. Well, right from the planning, when you are setting Imihigo, which starts from the grassroots at the lowest level of administration, the population is engaged, they set priorities. This is consolidated at the district level, and certain targets that have significant impact on the socio-economic development of the district and the other lower levels are agreed upon at that level, but also because at the central government level, there's national objectives and targets that are harmonized, and we agree together the priorities, and these ones form Imihigo. So the evaluation mechanism starts even at the setting of these targets, because we set clear milestones and targets and specific time frame. So this enables us at the national level, at the district level, and the lower levels to have regular assessments. But at the end of the fiscal year, we, at the national level, we set up a national team composed of different stakeholders: national President's office, Prime Minister's office, other ministries, civil society, private sector, and we carry out assessment basing on set targets and basing on field visits and reports. People can confirm what is reported on the ground. So this exercise enables us to know how the set targets were implemented and the corrective actions are suggested. You know, we are now at implementing a strategic action plan to promote ICT in our country that runs from 2011 to 2015. And one of the key pillars of this strategy is community development, ICT promoting community development. So in the local government, we have two major components. One is ICT for efficiency and effectiveness of local government, the governance system that it delivers and is effective. There we've done a lot in terms of building systems, in terms of equipment and systems and network. And the second component is ICT for community development that empowers communities, people in the at different geographical location, in the towns, in the cities, and even in rural areas, to have access on ICT and be able to benefit from this. So we can say that different parts of the country now, they have this broadband that is accessible to everybody. You know, we have this infrastructure that is laid across all parts of the country. The internet is people can access easily the internet, telephone penetration. So we have different applications that population has started gaining. So I would say that together with the ministry in charge of ICT, we are promoting and popularizing the use of ICT, whereby in the very near future we intend to have at least IT kiosk at the lowest level, at the cell level, so that even if you don't have these ICT tools at your own, you can have a public place where you can go and access these services at a fee. And this is going to help us where most of the services we provide in local government can be web-based, and people just go on that kiosk and then be able to access the services they want through the use of ICT. So I would say that the progress is good, but even in the near future, we tend to benefit much more from the ICT.